Time to catch up and...
Eat a cheddar biscuit.
Pam, hi, how you doing? Good. Listen, may I speak with you privately?
You can't fire me, Dwight, just because Michael's not here.
No, Pam, just...
You need to get something for your girlfriend?
Yes, and the reason I didn't get anything for this particular person, who shall remain nameless, is that she's not really the kind of person you think would be into Valentine's Day. She's kind of...
Tightly wound.
Exactly.
Okay, well, sometimes the
Eat a
gift
cheddar
is really about
biscuits.
the gesture. You know, like, what
Eat
it
you need some more?